Pero alam nyo naman, sa mga loyal practicalers and kaabante, alam nyo naman na si Coach Cristan ang number 1 na aamin sa mga kasalanan niya, no? So, ako din naman po ay nagtaksil, no? So, hindi ko naman aanuhin yan, hindi ko isusugarcoat. And I think sa loyal practicalers and kaabante, if you will remember one of our first few episodes, I admitted that when I was younger, parang in a way, I was so in love with being in love that it wasn't making any sense or I wasn't making the right decisions in my relationship. So, ang ending, parang may mga times na nag-overlap yung relationships ko kasi nai-inlove ako bigla do sa panibagong tao. And I myself, I am a victim of betrayal, but I was also the culprit, no? So, hindi po ako magmamalinis. So, pero ngayon na mas matanda na ako and I know better, alam kong sobrang bad po yung mga ginawa kong yun. Kaya, doon sa all the people that I've hurt in the past, I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. I've been very sorry for several years. Kaya, yun din po ang isang side na gusto kong pag-usapan natin, practicalers and kaabante, about betrayal. Minsan, kahit na ikaw yung gumagawa nung pagbe-betray, minsan ang feeling kasi ng tao, kung sino yung nagtaksil, yun yung nakalamang. Pero sa totoo lang po, in my experience, that I was also the villain and I was also the one who instigated the betrayal. Talo rin po yung nang bebetray, talo rin po yung nagtataksil. Kasi iba yung guilt feeling na effect nun sa atin.